are you? Hope you're having a good day today. This video is just some quick pictures of a humorous car. Now, the humor for this car is relative to one person's thoughts and feelings. It is by no means a criticism of anybody. I would suggest if you don't like it, lump it. If you want to do something with another car on your own, on the opposite point of views of this car, have at it. But this is just what one person has done relative to their level of humor. All right, so the gentleman that developed this car and the theme of the car, he and I spoke for quite a while, along with another fella of completely opposite point of views, and the three of us got along great. Mature people get along. We see the humor in things, regardless of what point of view or angle or spin that you're coming from. So everything that you see in this car can be applicable in reverse, from other points of views. So look at this from that perspective. So really and truly, just relax and enjoy it. Have some fun. So here we go with these clips. Thank you very much. Have a great day and relax. Enjoy life. Take it easy. And I'll see you later. Bye.